You already know what time it is. Trade recap time. I took 3 trades today, 2 on NQ, 1 on ES, and so we'll break them down really quick. Don't want to keep you guys here too long. I ended up with 2 wins and 1 loss, up around 450 per account. I have my 5 accounts, so it's $2,500 or something like that. Anyway, okay. So we're looking at NQ right now. This is our 10 o'clock open. We are bullish going into the morning. And basically what I'm looking for here, I think at this point I already had my order set. Our POC and our overnight value area low had stacked on top of each other. We built a pretty significant shelf right in here. And with volume, as prices moving up and volume starts stacking, that's going to act as support. So I'm looking to take longs. I set my order for 490 right here. End up getting filled into a kind of chopping a bit of drawdown, but not crazy because we're at the point of control. And then boom, we rip up. I had my TP set at the previous high for 40 points. And then I took 3 contracts off there, and then I left a couple running for our overnight point of control. Don't end up getting there, getting stopped out break even, and looking for another entry on the same point of control and overnight value area low stacked on top of each other. Got the entry, chopping around a little bit, kind of same thing, and then get stopped out. And yeah, so basically break even on that trade. I think I messed up my contracts on the first one a little bit to where I left 1 contract short when I stopped out break even, and then I had to take a very small loss on that once I realized it. And so it ended up being about a break even trade for me, all things considered. After that, head over to ES. Let's move this price action a little bit. So ES and NQ obviously kind of mirror each other, but ES had this previous week value area low level set, stacked pretty much on top of the developing value area low. As you can see, earlier in the morning around 9:45, we used that previous week value area low as a point to break, retest, and push much higher. And so as we get to that point again, I'm looking to take longs off of it. I set my order at 25 and got filled in a little bit of drawdown initially, but we absolutely rip the upside, catch 19 points, out for about $450. So overall, quick, easy 450 per account for the day. 3 solid trades. The second entry on this one, I think as soon as the first one gets kind of stopped out break even and pushes back to kind of chop around POC, I think I can just say, you know what, the setup's kind of chopped. Let's leave it at that. But not the worst setup I've taken for sure. And yeah, gold, didn't really get much off gold. Was looking to take shorts off this overnight value area low. Didn't get it. But if we did get it, it would have just been short stop for like, I don't know, stop at like 5 to 10 points, whatever I would have found. And then TPs down at POC and developing value area low. Also looking at crude oil. Holy. Okay. I had an order set at 97.25 here that did not get filled and would have ended up being a pretty solid trade back to POC and potentially even back to developing value area low. That would have been a great trade. Just didn't get filled literally by, I mean, it looks like it hit 24 or didn't hit 25. So whatever, it is what it is. Overall, really good day for me. Good trades, and yeah. Catch you guys in the next one.